stack going to 2 different people. Got this right away. It's gonna be McDonald's and Voodoo Donut. I believe the total should be around $19 going like 8.5 miles.
Okay, here you go.
Thank you.
Thank you. Have a good day.
You too. Turns out all they had ordered was cookies. Not my breakfast of choice, but hey, who am I to judge? Thank you.
Have a good one.
You too. Good thing about working this early is, well, I guess I jinxed myself. I was gonna say catching 0 red lights, but here we are, stopped at one now. I think I just had like a 6-mile stretch where I didn't have a red light, and as soon as I started recording, I got one. Lucky me. Next up, we've got a Starbucks. This one's gonna be $7.25 going 4 miles.
There we go.
Thank you.
Thank you.
I finally got an order. This one's gonna be for Voodoo Donut, $22 going 11 miles. It looks like they're giving me an additional order. This is gonna be for Angels, which is right across the street. An additional $7.75 for 4 miles. Yeah, sure, might as well. Thank you.
Yeah, have a good one.
You too.
It's just donuts.
Thank you.
Thank you.
All right, scratch that mileage on both of these. It's at least 5 or 6 miles less than I said originally, because the DoorDash GPS was like trying to make me run circles around town for no reason. I just have to stop to check this out because, come on now. And their neighbor. It looks like they're having a little competition here. Next order up is for Seize the Bagel. This is $9 going 4 miles. Thank you. Next order up is for McDonald's. This is $9 going less than 2 miles.
Morning.
Morning. Thank you. Thank you.
Have a nice day.
You too. Next up, looks like we're going to IHOP for a stack, $19 going 7 miles. This could be really, really good if they're ready for me. You too. How am I gonna do this? I'll be right back for it. It's too many bags. Bit of a wait there, but it's still gonna be good. Just got the next order. This is gonna be for Popeyes. $11 going 5.5 miles. Thank you.
Head to your pickup at Starbucks.
Got this as I was dropping off. This is gonna be $9 going 4 miles. Meet at door. Why? Next order up, we've got an alcohol pickup. This is gonna be $11 going 5.5 miles. Okay, I'm ready for some lunch, so I'm gonna call it here. Current time is 11:11. Make a wish. Current total is 106, and I have 3 Uber tips yet to come in, so I'm gonna guess around 120-ish. So yeah, that is gonna be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.